how many of the marketing people want to make their careers in banking? Nobody.
No.
Very good. Why not? Because they're boring. Who wants to work in a bank? So what do you work on? FMCG?
Yes.
Or what else? IT, automobiles, fantastic. Telecom maybe?
Yes.
E-commerce maybe?
Yes.
Those are fancy sectors and there's a lot happening in that space. Imagine that, whose bag is this? Your bag. If somebody is manufacturing a bag like this, and you have to market the bag to the customer. One is to sell the product and the other is to market the product. Do we understand the difference between selling and marketing?
Yes.
What is the difference? Sorry?
In marketing, like promotional or the product promotion takes place, and in selling, like actual selling is taking place.
In marketing, you understand what the customer requires, you see what his need is, then you design the product according to his need, and yes, you're right, you design the promotions around it so that the customer understands the benefit of it, etc., etc., etc. Now, if I'm marketing a bag like this, I will say that, look, you need to go to the college every day and you need to carry those 20 things, and my bag is so strong, it will help you do this, it will help you do that. Guess what? The price of the bag is only so much, you can afford it easily, it is best quality leather, etc., etc. That's how you market the product. It's easy to do that because you know that the customer needs this and you have a product to service that, and hence the customer will take it, right? In a banking sector, we deal with money, right? You sell money. If a customer comes asking for 10,000 rupees, you give him 10,000 rupees. If the customer comes asking for 10 lakh rupees, you give them 10 lakh rupees. If the customer comes to deposit 10 lakh rupees, you accept 10 lakh rupees. Now, money is money, right? I can't say that my money is better than your money. I can say that my bag is better than your bag, or my leather is better than your leather, or my price is less than your price. But money is money. 10,000 from HDFC is same as 10,000 from Axis, is same as 10,000 from ICICI, is same as 10,000 from SBI. Right? As marketers, the job becomes extremely difficult when the product itself has no differentiation. If money is the same across all the players, how do you sell the loan from Axis Bank better than how do you sell loan from HDFC, better than how you sell a loan from ICICI, becomes a big challenge. And hence the banks, what they require more is not people who can do the operations work around filing of loans or managing the branch. They also don't need so much of finance people who, because the bank has enough finance people to understand